What's up, underdogs? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. We're doing another So we're back in the Z, we're in the interior. What am I gonna do? Well, I don't really like the amber lighting inside the vehicle, so I'm gonna change it into, boom, you're right, white. So, how do you do that? Easy peasy. Let me waste 2 minutes of your time and how to replace it. Funny thing, 370Z's license plate light has the same bulb size as the one inside your car. First and foremost, you need one of these. I bought it at Amazon for 10 bucks, and a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver that is wrapped in a cloth or wrapped in a masking tape so you don't ruin your interior bits. So let's get to it. And that's it for this mod. It's so quick and easy. 2 minutes, pop them up, put them back in, boom, see you later, sir. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like while you're at it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet so I can keep making 370Z and cross-track content for you guys. And I'll see you on the next episode. Take it easy, folks.